Hello everyone. I hope you all are great. Okay, so today we are going to discuss the problem which a child face while writing the spelling or while framing the spelling through phonics. So the basic problem which comes with letter Y, I'm going to tell you today that letter Y has three sounds basically. So when to use it and when can we make it the different one? So here it goes. Okay, so whenever Y comes in the beginning of the word or in the starting of the word, it is termed as year sound. Like, okay, on the contrary, if Y comes at the end of the word, it will be E sound or I sound. Now the question arises when it can be E or when it can be I. So let me make it very simple for you kids. If a word is very small and Y is coming in the last, so you have to call that sound I sound, like you can see in this words. Similarly, if Y comes in the end with the bigger words, so you have to read it as E sound. Okay, I hope this video will help you out. Thank you so much.